Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we'll guide you through how to turn off focus modes on an iPhone. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on the iPhone, and we want to turn off focus modes. There are different focus modes that you can disable, so make sure you watch this full guide. You might also be in a situation where focus modes automatically turn on. We'll show you how to turn them off and stop that from happening. While focus modes can be useful, they can sometimes be annoying. For example, one focus mode is Do Not Disturb. If this is enabled, notifications, including calls, will be silenced and hidden. This can be frustrating because you might miss something important, which is why you may want to turn it off. I currently have a different focus mode enabled that only reduces interruptions, but it's still not ideal because important notifications can be missed. There are other focus modes as well, so we'll show you how to turn them off and cancel any schedules step by step. To get started, go to the home screen. Then go to the top right corner where the battery icon is and drag down to open the control center. You can also do this while inside an app, but doing it from the home screen is easier. Now find the focus option on the left side. Tap on it and you'll see the different focus modes available. At the moment, Reduce Interruptions is turned on. To turn it off, simply tap on it. However, in this case, it's scheduled, which means it will turn back on automatically later. To stop it from turning on again in the future, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and find Focus. Here, you'll see the different focus modes. Open the one that is scheduled, for example, Personal, then scroll down until you see the Automatic Schedule. Tap on it and delete the schedule, confirm your choice, or temporarily turn it off. That's it. You can repeat these steps for any other focus modes if needed. Now your phone should work normally again, with notifications and calls coming through as usual. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Explore Error for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.